imagine a guy's climbing a mountain. And it's a long journey, a long trek, and he's sweating and he's aching. He's got like this flag that he can't wait to put at the top of his mountain. Now imagine a friend comes by in a helicopter. And he sees this guy. He says, "What are you doing?" He says, "I'm climbing this mountain." He says, "Well, what's your goal?" He says, "Yonder top of mountain. I want to get to the mountain, top of the mountain." He says, well, how long have you been climbing?" He says, "Well, I've been climbing for already days." "Well, look at you. You look in pain. Well, get in my helicopter. I could take you up there in 3 minutes." What would he do? You see, the mistake people make is they think that the top of the mountain is the goal and the climb is the means to the goal. But that's not true. The goal is the climb. The top of the mountains is the means. Now, if you didn't have a top, then you couldn't climb. There'd be no journey. There'd be no adventure. But the mistake that people make is they think there's some moment in the future when they will be happy. But we're not human beings. We're actually human becomings. We love to grow. We love to anticipate. We love the adventure. We love the new. And so we impatiently get to some moment that we think will deliver the happiness, and we're surprised that it doesn't. Because the way to happiness is to be happy on the way.